Throughout the pandemic, we've worked very closely with our network to make sure that they can continue to work safely in our customers' homes.
CET confirms key worker status very early on in the lockdown.
CET helped us to source our PPE.
Really impressed with CET's management team. Kept in touch with us during lockdown.
We can talk to the guys every day to update on what we know, see how they're doing, and to share as much information on staying safe, getting PPE, and how we can work together to make sure the customer could still get the help that they needed.
CET simplified their business model for us.
CET made it very easy for us to do business during this pandemic.
Home working was not something we had much experience on. However, with CET employees already working from home before the pandemic began, they were able to offer us guidance and support us to help us adjust.
We were also surprised that CET continued to develop our simplified app.
If anything, during the COVID-19 period, we've actually been able to expand as a company with the help of the CET and Mark and the network team.
Like many businesses, we were unsure on the effect the lockdown would have on our workflow. Not only did CET ensure we had a constant workflow, they kept us in the loop at all times and communicated to us to ensure we could carry out a business as usual approach.
We're extremely proud of our network and the partnership that we have with them.
I'm Craig from Woods Building Maintenance.
We're proud to be partners with CET.